Look, mate, she just showed you the warrant.
There is no warrant. That's just a photograph with some words on it, mate.
As police,
So your name is, what was your name?
Sir, here we go. Here's my card. Constable Matthew Barnes.
Thank you very much. Can I have your card too, please, sir?
Fresh out card, but it's Beard Walsh.
Sorry?
It's Beard Walsh.
Beard Walsh, number please. Now, this is all done under protest and duress. Okay? To do what? To do what? I've broken no laws here.
Don't
No.
because we're coming on and
Okay, so...
These are my dogs, yeah.
There's one.
So,
And I might blush to answer that. Who are you again?
is there any windows open in this vehicle?
No, there isn't.
Okay, so
No, yes, there is, I'm sorry.
So the dogs are being, the dogs are being held in the vehicle without any ears?
What are you talking about?
Yeah. So, how...
I live in this bloody vehicle. What are you talking about?
Yeah, that's called it. You're living in the vehicle?
I live in this vehicle.
Alright, well...
Are we forcing you?
Yeah, I can't go into the vehicle. I can't. I can enter the property and remove the dogs, but I can't go in.
If you jumped out, is that good?
Right.
So, you showed me a piece of paper, you showed me your card, which says that you're warranted to be here. And I'm challenging that right now.
Why would you challenge it?
Well, why wouldn't I to think that you can just walk on other people's property and take their animals?
Oh, that's the law.
No, that's not the law. That's not common law. I'm going to, mate. I'm going to, mate.
You can challenge it. At the end of the day, all I'm asking from you is that you register your dogs right now. I've given
So now you're extorting money. And then so,
it's asking you to do something that you're illegal.
are you asking me? And what happens if I refuse your request?
Well, then I'll need to take the dog.
So it's not consent. You're forcing me. You're extorting money from me.
I'm giving you the option to register them now.
No, it's not the law, mate. It's statute. Can you differentiate between statute and law, please? No, statute is a rule of society given force of law, my friend. It's not law. Law is do not hurt anybody, do not steal anything, okay, and do not defraud your contract. No, it's a gross gross negligence if you.
One is assault. That's covered under the
That's
statute.
It's not common law. You do not hurt anybody, you do not steal anything. These are all there's all statutory law, and it's a law governed by consent. Yes, it is, because we voted for the people, the government, and the law is instigated by the government. Yes, I know everything I'm talking about, mate. You don't know what you're talking about. You still haven't explained to me the difference between lawful and legal.
Lawful and legal?
Yes. Please.
What do you mean? What's that got to do with anything?
We're not here to give you an education, sir.
No, I'm not here. And I'm not here to... What about the ducks? Do we have to register the ducks?
No, it's just dogs that are covered by the law.
The law, okay. Here we go with the law again. All right. So what you're saying is that you're extorting money from me. You're saying that there is no court process here, that I have to give you money or else you kidnap my dogs. Is this correct?
All it is you're legally required to register your dogs. You're the owner of those dogs. You must register them. All right? Any dog over the age of 3 months must be registered.
So
under the Dog Control Act, 1996.
Yeah,
So
what we do. Once again, it's legislation, it's statute. It's not governed by common law. It's not included in common law. This is statutory law. It's got everything. Everything's got to do with common law. Common law is the law of the people, my friend, not the law of the government. Okay, that's common law. The law of the people, not the government. The government is just a pack of bullies telling us what to do. Jump high, jump higher. Common law tells us do not hurt each other.
So you're saying you will not register your dog?
I'm just questioning the lady. I'm just questioning the lady. I am questioning the lady.
Okay, look.
All right.
This is what
as to my options.
This is your options. Okay, I've been to see you previously. I gave you notification that you needed to register your dogs. You failed to make any attempt to contact me or council
and
to register those dogs. All right? Okay?
Right.
Let me finish. Alright, so the option today for you, because I've given you options, is that you need to register the dogs now, or I can take the dogs from the property. I'm legally required to remove the dogs if they're unregistered. Alright? It's up to you. Your option is to register them.
Register them to where? I don't live anywhere.
Register them now. You give me all the details, and I'll give you the registration tags and the payment money.
1983 model. License expired in 2006.
So you're basically extorting me. Okay, well, I'll do this under protest and duress. Of course it's extortion. Of course it's extortion. You can say anything's a law just because somebody says it's a law. It doesn't make it right. It doesn't make it right. You hear what I'm saying?
All right, we're not arguing that it's right.
So how do we
The
take...
argument here, it's not whether it's right or not, it's whether it's the law.
Yes, it is. It isn't everything about if it's right or wrong.
No.
Is that why the world's in such good shape? Because you're doing the right thing. Is that correct?
I'm not saying I'm doing the right thing.
Well, then why are you doing this job?
What do you mean why I'm doing this?
Well, isn't that why you took this job on, to do the right thing?
I believe it's the right thing. You obviously don't.
Well, obviously, I don't think it's your right to go around bullying people and harassing people for living a peaceful life.
I'm using my powers that I have under statutory law, as you will.
Exactly, and I'm using my law under common law to question your authority.
Well, you can question as much as you want, but my authority still remains.
What, over me? So you're saying that you're better than me, that you have jurisdiction over me? Is that your statement?
No, I didn't say that at all. I didn't say better than you.
Look, mate, we're not here to get into a moral debate about how the world is.
This is not a moral debate. This is about jurisdiction.
I just want to talk about your dogs that you've got to register.
This is jurisdiction. We'll finally see who's got jurisdiction over who here.
So at the end of the day, if you're not going to register them today, I will have to take the next step to pursue a legal warrant from the court. And I mean, if I have to do that, then you can get arrested.
So that's not a legal warrant. Is that what you just said?
I'm talking about entering your property.
You already entered my property under protest and duress. You're trespassing. That's charge number one.
Under this warrant that I've produced to you just before, I can enter any part of your section around your property. Right?
Well, of course you do. That sounds ludicrous.
Well, what I'm saying to you is that because your dogs are in that vehicle, I can't enter your vehicle, and neither can the police. Unless we have a warrant to do so.
Hello? Well, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. So you need a warrant. Okay.
I could go and obtain a warrant from the court.
Can we? All right. Well, go for your life. Can we? That's what I just said. Where's your warrant?
Why do you have to be so difficult about it? Why can't you just register the dog? Why do we have to?
Well, because I don't have any money. Who has money to register dogs and pay for every little bloody step we take?
Look, if you want to own this introduced species, you've got to register it. It's just the way it is.
Introduced species.
Dog.
Well, introduced from where? We're introduced from the same place as dogs, aren't we?
Sure.
Are we? We're bloody creatures of the earth, mate. Are we not?
Yes, we're creatures from the earth.
We are creatures from the earth.
Well, neither are we. Are you?
No.
Well, we're all native to this planet. Is that not the case?
Look, mate, this is going so lateral.
Is that not the case? I mean, nobody's natural to anywhere except the earth. We all belong here.
Get a warrant because
Okay, please do. Please do.
I'm not discussing.
You have been informed, so the next step, and there will be fines associated with being obstructed.
Yeah, okay, great. Look forward to that. So this attested warrant entitles you to what?
Entitles me to enter your dwelling with the police.
Beg your pardon?
And remove your dog.
And remove my dogs in lieu of what payment?
Being unregistered.
So the payment will nullify this whole process. Is that correct?
That's what I said to you.
Okay, well let's go to the warrant, eh? Let's go to the warrant and we'll go through the fine process. Thank you. Well, so am I, as you can see.